So, I've been set with the task of opening up this fireplace. Now, it was an off-centered fireplace, so all I had to do is move across 150 mil. But this being Tondi brick in my local area, it is an engineered brick, it is tough on the tools. So we had to install 3 acro props to hold this up. Now bearing in mind there's another property above, these are flats, so we were holding up one hell of a lot of weight. So I held it up, knocked it out, put the lintel in there, and then we boarded it up with a bit of plasterboard. Now the customer didn't want me to rip all the front of the plasterboard off, so I said I'll go ahead, patch it in, and get it all plastered up for her. Now sadly this job didn't include new skirting boards down by there. I don't like the look of them, but the customer was over the moon. She was happy just to have a centered fireplace, as you can see by there. So we plastered, whitewashed the walls. The customer actually put the colour on the wall, and then we're going to jump straight on to the finish article. Now it's just a simple oak mantle above an opening, couple of shelves either side. Does look nice. Don't forget, give us a like and subscribe for more. If you've got any comments and questions of how to do the support on this sort of job and hold it up, I'll be more than willing to help you.